Hey, aviation enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of military aircraft to explore the top 5 most powerful fighter jets that'll dominate the skies in 2025. As someone who's been fascinated by these incredible machines, I can't wait to share what makes these jets absolute beasts. Coming in at number 5, we have the Russian Su-57 Felon. This stealth fighter is a game-changer with its advanced avionics and super maneuverability. What makes it truly special is its ability to cruise at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, something very few aircraft can achieve. At number 4 is America's F-35 Lightning II. Now, I know some of you might be surprised it's not higher on the list, but hear me out. While it's not the fastest or most agile, its sensor fusion and stealth capabilities are simply unmatched. It's basically a flying supercomputer that can process battlefield information faster than any human pilot. Taking the 3rd spot is China's J-20 Mighty Dragon. This aircraft has come a long way since its introduction, and by 2025, it's expected to feature enhanced engines and weapon systems that could rival Western fighters. Its long range and stealth characteristics make it a formidable threat in the Pacific region. The runner-up at number 2 is the European Eurofighter Typhoon with its 2025 upgrades. What's impressive about this jet is its incredible agility and the new ASA radar system. It can track multiple targets while engaging in close combat, making it a true multi-role fighter. And finally, claiming the top spot is the F-22 Raptor. Even though it's been around for a while, no other fighter jet has managed to dethrone it. With its combination of supercruise capability, stealth, and unmatched maneuverability, it remains the apex predator of the skies. The 2025 upgrades will include enhanced computer systems and weapons integration, keeping it firmly at the top. Remember though, raw power isn't everything in aerial combat. Each of these jets has its unique strengths and specialized roles. But what makes them truly remarkable is how they represent the pinnacle of human engineering and innovation. It's mind-blowing to think that these machines can pull maneuvers at forces that would knock a normal person unconscious. Well, that's my roundup of the most powerful fighter jets for 2025. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below.